Does your hair sound like this when you scrunch it up? That is called dryness, and we're gonna solve that today with one simple switch, and that is switching from a regular shampoo to a sulfate-free shampoo. Now let me break this down for you. Sulfates are these synthetic sulfuric acid salts that are really good cleaners. They foam up in the shampoo, they help get rid of dirt, debris, oils, things like that. The problem with these are they are too good at cleaning. They get rid of too many oils that your hair actually needs. Ultimately what happens is you strip away the oils in the shower. Chances are you're also not replacing them well enough with a good conditioner. And then you get out of the shower, you dry your hair, and you go on your merry way. And throughout the day, as the moisture from the shower evaporates, your hair is left super dry, super flaky, with split ends everywhere. And that is why your hair sounds and feels crunchy when you're moving it around. The best way to get over this is to simply not clean your hair so harshly. You still want to get rid of the dirt and debris, but you want to leave some of the natural oils your hair actually needs to remain healthy, hydrated, and soft. And you do that by using a sulfate-free shampoo that uses sulfonates. Volt's shampoo is a perfect example of this. Sulfonates are the naturally derived version of sulfates. They're not mass-produced like sulfates are, and they don't clean as harshly. You still get the foaminess and the clean feeling and everything. But what you'll notice is after you use the shampoo and the conditioner, you get out of the shower, you dry your hair, it's not going to be as dry and crunchy feeling. The other added benefit of Volt is that these are refillable bottles. You can buy a refill pack. I have one here in my little closet thing right there. And every time you run out of these bottles, you just get a refill pack and refill it about 3 times, which means you're saving a lot of plastic, because this is actually aluminum foil. You can see Volt combines panthenol and moringa oil, and you got that sulfate-free tag right there. If you suffer from dry hair, that is most likely the reason. Most people are using shampoos that are simply too harsh for the amount of oil that your scalp produces. And using a gentler sulfate-free shampoo is going to fix a lot of these problems. So go ahead, go to Grooming.com, check out all of their stuff. It's all natural, it's all made in the US, and explore a ton of their other products. They've got some awesome stuff. I just want to say thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in another Volt video.